Westminster Mall, once a powerhouse of economic trade in the community, is now becoming a relic of the past in real time. As the new development named Bolsa Pacific gains steam, the demolition of the current main structure is underway. Some of the satellite buildings on the property are currently sitting empty and will be demolished, while other companies still doing business on the site will be getting major upgrades. There are also 2 businesses which will not be moving, nor will they be receiving any major building upgrades. Here is the current configuration of the property, and here is the proposed development. You can see the extent of the housing that will be built. There will be a separate video covering the numbers relating to the housing, retail, and landscaping areas. On the corner of Bolsa Avenue and Edward Street, US Bank will stay in their building. This parcel is owned by them. Interestingly, the building is not included in the Bolsa Pacific development. On the corner of Golden West Street and Bolsa Avenue, we find Chase Bank. They will also be staying in their building. Chase Bank, for some reason, is part of the Bolsa Pacific development as illustrated on the site map. The tech retailer, Best Buy, will be staying in its current location. It is not part of the development at this time. I can imagine the number of sales they will receive having a brand new development literally at their doorstep. Next, Target will be relocating to a brand new building hundreds of feet from their current location. It seems to be more in line with the other local Target in Westminster on Beach Boulevard between Edinger Avenue and Warner Avenue. Lastly, and most surprising, is Outback Steakhouse. They will be relocating somewhere into the retail area. Its current location sits in Phase 1 of the development construction, which includes the elimination of the entrance into the property just west of Golden West and Bolsa. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update to this project.